how to stream your favorite games on TikTok in 2024. Whether you're looking to share epic moments or just comment with your audience, streaming on TikTok is easier than ever. So let's get started. First things first, make sure your TikTok account is set up for streaming. You'll need to have a verified account and a minimum of 1,000 followers to access the live streaming feature. Then open TikTok, go to your profile and tap the three dots in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down to account management and ensure your account is verified. If not, follow the steps to get verified. Next, you'll need streaming software like OBS Studio. It's free and versatile. Head over to the OBS Studio website, download and install the software. Once installed, open OBS Studio. You'll see a black screen. Don't worry, you can set this up in no time. Let's configure OBS Studio for TikTok streaming. First, add your source. Click the plus icon on the sources. Select Game Capture and choose your game. Next, add your webcam and microphone if you want to be seen and heard while streaming. Position and resize your game. Make sure everything looks good on the previous screen. Now you'll need your TikTok stream key. Open the TikTok, tap the plus icon to create a new post and select live. Here you'll see the option to get your stream key. Copy this key as you'll need it for OBS Studio. Back in OBS Studio, go to settings, then screen. Select custom as the service and paste your TikTok stream key in the appropriate field. Click apply and then OK. And you're almost there. Double check your setup. Make sure everything is correctly, and when you're ready, hit start streaming in OBS Studio. Switch back to TikTok and go live. And just like that, you're live on TikTok. Engage with your viewers, showing off your gaming skills and have fun. And that's it. You've successfully set up your game stream on TikTok.